So, hello guys! This is ako si RC again, and good day po sa inyong lahat. As you can see, I have packages in front of me, but hindi ko alam kung ano ang mararamdaman ko sa package na to. It's like, it's an advance birthday gift for me, and akong tao guys, hindi ako sanay na mag-receive from people, especially that yung yung kakakilala mo pa lang, yung ganun ba, and nakikringe ako pag people would give me something, and nasa shock ako, hindi ko alam kung paano ako mag-react. So this gift, this is an advance birthday gift, a Christmas gift. So I still can't wrap up my mind why me, and iniisip ko pa din siya bakit, because this past month I've been thinking about upgrading my setup sa audio setup sa live stream, but this stuff I can buy them on my own. I can buy them with my own money, but there is a person that ewan ko anong pumasok sa kokote niya na bigyan ako ng ganito. And kasi for me, it's giving always is the best sa buhay. It's always nice to give to people than to receive, right? Kasi ako, pag feeling ko kasi I have this wall sa life ko na bakit naiiyak ako. This makes me sad kasi this is where it came from. Yung wall na to, why I don't like receiving stuff from people. Kasi I hate those words or kwento later on na, oh, ito siya, galing yan sa akin, ganito. Ako naman ang nagbigay niyan sa kanya, ganyan. Yung ganun ba? So, ayokong maganon ulit sa buhay, because I've been there, and that's why I have this wall. I don't want to receive anything from people. I just don't want to. But this person is very persistent. Sorry if I cried, because remembering it hurts my heart. But I know na paminsan-minsan masarap makareceive ng something from someone or from people, but then I only accept stuff from my family nagaling talaga sa pamilya ko, and hindi ako sanay na maka-receive ng something sa mga person na kilala ko, friends ko, but then not gaya ng family ko. So this one, my head is still like, can't believe it. I can't wrap things up. So anyways, kinuha ko and ni-receive ko, and I'm grateful. I can't there's no words to say how grateful I am to receive stuff from people and for thinking about me. And grabe, naalala ko na naman yon, yung mga words ba. And yan ang pinaka-hit ko kasi, nasusumbatan ka, naisumbat sa'yo, yung mga binigay nila, yung mga ganun ba. Ayokong magkaroon ng utang na loob sa tao, kasi mahirap siyang pagdaanan. That's where I'm coming from. And yeah, anyways, but then I got this is like the partial package that the person gave me, and hindi ko lang siya pangalanan kasi mahirap pag sa social media eh. So igaganunin natin kasi nakikita ata yung address ko. So, ito, I think this one, ako ang nag-order nito. Hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Kasi, maybe the cord na na-order ko. Kasi, naka-order ako ng cord ng Mauno setup ko. I have the very lumang Mauno setup, yung bagong labas nila na Mauno, the most common one. I had that. I only had that. And kasi ako, hindi kasi practical na. I was thinking about getting Yamaha and good quality mic. But then, sa katamaran ko these days, nag-start siya nung last year, nung na-discover ko na ang sama ng pag nalamon ka ng social media, especially ng YouTube, na andyan ka na lang sa sa maghapon sa YouTube. I've been there. Ganun ako, grabe ako nalamon ng YouTube. So yeah, I'm correct. And na-order ko to bago mag-approach ulit ang person na to. So, this is a cable for, actually, ano lang to, spare. Kasi I always buy spare cables kasi yung cables talaga ng Mauno is, hindi siya sturdy. Para siyang, mabilis lang siya masira ba. That's why hindi na siya nag-work yung, yung sound card nyo. So, tip para sa mga may Mauno, you guys have to keep spare, USB or cords para sa inyong mga setup kasi ganyan ako. Even yung mic na cord, meron ako niyan. Parang yung kwarto ko, parang stock room, may limang ring light, may ilang cords at saka mic cords, ganun. So hi Coco. So I did purchase this one. It's a connector lang siya ng USB connector lang siya. So yan, lagay natin dyan. And this one is a partial gift na binigay sa akin. Kasi ito pa lang ang dumating ngayong araw. The other one is coming and sabay natin buksan. Pero dito ko lang siya buksan kasi mahirap na makita yung address ko ba. Grabe na paiyak ako dun sa kwento na yun kasi masakit yun. Masakit guys na ganunin ka ng tao. Sa amin ang tawag dun tinutomboy ka I don't care if you get here, just get here if you can. Bakit na pag-wrap nito. Hindi makakawala. Ang bilis lang nito dumating actually. So this is the new this is a Mauno as well. And this is the here. This is the Mauno Caster E2 podcast console. This is the what you call it? AME2 ng Mauno, yung model ba. The model is AME2 ng Mauno. Ganyan siya. So let's open it. I don't care how you get there. Actually, ang bilis niyang dumating. I ordered it last week lang ata. Tapos, ngayon, dito na. Ang bilis. Tapos, ang nasa taas is their social media promotion. And the manual, book, and then this thing is instructions. A letter from Mauno. Salamat, Mauno. Buti ka pa. Bibigay ng letter sa akin. Tapos, ito na siya. Ay, malaki pala siya. Ay, hindi. Same lang siya. So, ito siya sa box. This is how it looks like inside the box. Ganyan. And, ito siya. That how it looks like. So, and then yung mga connectors sa likod. And, yeah. Same lang ba siya kalaki ng ng isang Mauno ko. So, yeah, that's it. And, of course, the cord. Yung cord na to, is it the same? Yeah, same lang siya sa sa first one. This is the connector from your Mauno to your computer. And this is for the audio. This two. Dalawa. Dalawa lang siya. And then no more. So, yan lang ang dala niya. And, yeah. Yun lang siya. And I have one coming. I have one package pa na coming. And, i-unbox ko din siya pag dumating. And, yeah. That's it. This is all I got for now. And, ipapakita ko na naman sa inyo if dumating na yung yung other na package. And, ano din yun, dala yun sa pa-birthday gift, pa-advance birthday gift. And, you know, it's just, I'm grateful for people, kahit friendship lang, yun lang talaga ang ko sa tao, yung honest, yung tunay, and friendship. Yun lang, tunay na friendship. Yun lang talaga ang gusto ko sa tao. Ayok money, stuff, I don't need it. It's just, this stuff are just bonus, diba? But yeah, it's always I'm always grateful. I'm always grateful for people thinking about me, thinking about giving me stuff. And sorry to those people that I rejected and na bibigyan ako ng something, because you know, you know where I'm coming from. And I'm just very very cautious with how I live my life right now, kasi you know, it's been tough. It's been tough going through those times. That's why I really put up this wall, this boundary from people. Kahit friends ko pa kayo, I don't need your money, I don't need stuff from you, I'm okay. But I have my family, and yeah, but you know, I'm very grateful for this. I'm very grateful for thinking of me, thinking of giving me stuff. And you know, yeah, yun lang yun. If my this is so cliche, but if my word pa beyond grateful, that's how I feel. That's how I'm feeling right now. And still my head and my brain is still questioning. Still it's still like thinking about why do I deserve this? Why do I deserve people thinking of me? Why do I deserve people giving me stuff or wanting to give me stuff? But you know, it's, I don't know, maybe hindi ko alam why do I deserve it. na ang alam ko ngayon, most people doesn't like me because how I am labeled as maldita, how I am labeled as masungit, strong, like I came up strong for you. Because guys, ito ha, this is reality talk. Ako, before, kahit ayaw ko sa tao, nakikisama pa din, how do you say, pinakikisamahan ko pa din. But then, sa lahat ng lessons na na-learn ko all throughout my life, mas masaya, mas maganda na hindi ka maging sinungaling sa sarili mo. If ayaw mo sa tao, I don't care. Kahit sino ka man, I don't care. If I don't like you, I don't like you. If my gut feeling says I don't like you, then I won't like you. And sorry to those people, not sorry to those people that I don't like, because there's a lot. And ayoko na ito ang pinapanindigan ko talaga, kasi pag ayaw ko sa tao, ayaw ko talaga. I will make you feel it. I will make you feel it na ayaw ko sa'yo. And ayoko na makikipagsama. Ano nga ba yun? The word? Ayokong makisama. Kasi feeling ko ang plastic-plastic ko sa sarili ko. Kasi pag ganun, para lang din yun na hindi ako transparent sa sarili ko. Hindi ako transparent, hindi ako honest sa sarili ko. That's why I am like that. So I don't care if people will dislike me. I'm not afraid being disliked. So yeah, not sorry to people, okay? But this is me. Kasi mahirap ang buhay, mahirap ang life, guys. Because you know, ang hirap na ako, as I've said, na okay lang, i-label nyo akong as maldita, whatever na gusto nyong i-label sa akin. I don't care. As long as I'm tunay. Kasi ang naano ko din, na learn ko din is that not everybody na mabait sa inyo ay mabait, ay santa. Hindi po yun. Mostly hindi ganun. Those people have this second personality or this two-faced personality. So sorry guys if hindi ako ganun. Ayoko sa lahat yung plastic, ayoko sa lahat yung sinungaling, ayoko sa lahat yung hindi totoo. Yun lang yun ang pinanghuhugutan ko. Kasi you know that it's chaos. Yung life itself is a mess. So why would you tolerate people like that in your life? If ayaw mo na doon, if may konti kang ayaw doon, bakit makikisama ka pa doon? What's the point? It doesn't make sense to me. So yeah, yun lang, real talk and unboxing, and I'll see you again sa pagdating ng another part nito. So thank you guys, ha, see you next time, okay? Bye. So hello guys, it's already Saturday ngayon, and February, ano ba ngayon? February 10. The last time I unboxed the sound card, nakalimutan ko kung anong araw yun. But, let's see kung anong araw yun ha, okay? So, the sound card, I found out that it was 5 days ago. It was February 5 ko siya na-unbox. And February 5 din siya dumating. And now, kakadating lang nito. And, yes, ang init dito ngayon sa Pilipinas. Yeah. Kahit hindi tayo well. Kahit hindi maganda yung pakiramdam natin. Because my tummy is acting up. Because dahil sa kadahak-dahak ko. So, pasensya na kung hindi kayo makarelate kung ano yung dahak-dahak ha. So, it's for you to find out kung anong dahak-dahak. So, ngayon, ngayon ito na nga yung other package na inaantay ko na dumating. So, i-unbox natin. This is from the same person din na nagbigay sa akin ng sound card na yon. So yes, as what I've been saying na this is an advanced birthday gift for me, and I still can't believe that there are people that want to give me something that, you know, that I can get them with my own money. But yeah, sometimes may talaga, mahirap talaga mag-say no sa mga taong alam mong napakabait sa'yo. Yung basta yun na yun. And I think ito ba ang first? This is the second time na tumanggap ako. Third time. Right? Is it the third time na nakatanggap ako ng ng like physical gift from YT friends na naging family ko sila. So the first one I got is from Ate Rain. It's from Saipan. And the second one is from Ate Jean from Washington. So this one is from somewhere. kayo na ang kayo na ang maghula kung saan galing to. But ako ang nag-order nito. And yeah, basta ito na siya ang sinasabi kong another partial na gift na kasabay ng ano nga ba yun? Anong tawag? Nadala ng Mauno sound card. So let's see, let's open it. Sabay natin i-open para makita natin sabay-sabay. Because ganito lang kasi baka makita na naman yung address ko ba. So yeah. Natatawa pa din ako. Alam nyo ba, natatawa pa din ako kasi hindi pa din nako-convince yung utak ko. Bakit ako bibigyan ng ganito? 'Di ba? Kakatapos ko lang guys maligo, pero grabe na naman ang init dito. And kahit naka full blast yung aircon ko, ewan ko ba, bakit init na init ako. So ito na siya. Pero let's see if pinadala niya ako ng cable, ng XLR. Oh, meron nga! Alam mo, ang bait niya. Pero nahirapan ako, Oh! Binigyan din ako ng earbuds. Mahal kaya to, yung Mauno, earbuds. Ang bait niya. Alam mo, pero nahirapan ako sa kanya nahirapan talaga ako sa kanya mag-talk because I don't know. Is it I'm questioning and I'm asking questions, but he just can't answer my questions. That's why it took me so long to order this. Kaya natagalan siyang dumating kasi separately ko sila na bili kasi yun nga, nag-aantay pa ako ng reply ng store owner. So sabi kasi ang doon nalagay doon sa description is XLR na cable is not included. So make sure ko is it really not included. Pero guys, it took me 2 days to get a real answer, an adequate answer. Because I don't know why it took them so long to answer me. So sabi ng owner, sabi niya, I will give you some for free. So he gave me nga, totoo nga. So yeah, thank you owner ng Mauno or the seller, and of course thank you for the freebie. This is a freebie na what you call it, this one, earphones. Maganda to kasi para siyang in-ear guys, napapasok siya sa tenga nyo. So yeah. And
Diyan na nga lang muna kasi hindi ko... Ito, XLR lang siya. XLR lang siya. Sa mga hindi nakakilala ng XLR cable, it's like this. It's like that. Okay? So, it's male to female. Ganon. And, ito na. This is the other package na inaantay ko. So, yeah, ito na nga. So, it's the Mauno PD 200 XS na na microphone. It's a dynamic mic ng Mauno, and this is like a higher quality na what you call it, na dynamic mic. So let's open it. Yeah, so let's open it. Ganito natin i-open para makita nyo guys ano ang laman niya sa loob. Let's see. So, pag open mo, ito ang itsura niya. Paano ba ako makikita nito? Bakit nagsastruggle ako? So, ganyan ang itsura niya pag open. And, they have manual for the boom. This one, the boom. Alam nyo ba yung boom arm? And then, this is the manual for the microphone itself. This is the cables. The USB cable. What's this? This is for the boom. Yung lock ng boom. And then this is the mic. Yes. So this is the mic. Alam mo, may mute siya na button. So, nasasaya ako dyan. Parang excited ako dyan sa mute-mute na feature na yan. And, of course, the last is the boom. Ito. Yung arm. It's just a regular boom arm. Diba? Yung mga parang nasa ano ba? Nasa ganito. Parang nasa ano nga ba yung tawag doon? May ganito din ako eh sa ano ko, sa lumang Mauno ko. May ganito din ako, may free din na ganito. But if you want a good quality boom, meron din silang available. So, we'll see. Kasi alam mo, may goal ako dapat eh. May goal ako dapat na bumili ng mga ganito. Pero, you know, I'm grateful that there is a person, that there are people na gustong magbigay sa akin. Pero sana talaga, hindi ko talaga sana tatanggapin to. Kasi, you know, alam mo na, yung ganun ba? Ayoko nang ibalik yung yung kung ano mga pinagsasabi ko doon sa part 1. Pero, yun na yun. If you want na, na marinig yun, balikan nyo na lang yun kung ano mga sinabi ko doon sa previous na, sa mga earlier na, na minutes ng mga vlogs. But, yeah, ito na siya lahat. Ito siya lahat. And, of course, yeah, it's like, yung gratefulness ko, hindi ko siya ma-put into words because my brain can still believe na natanggap ko to. But, yeah, I'm so grateful, beyond grateful, guys. What I'm saying is that I'm beyond grateful for this person, for this friend, and itong mga friend na to, they are like, para mo na silang family talaga. Yung parang totoo mong mga kuya, totoo mong pamilya. Yan ang mga gusto kong kaibigan. Tapos, ayoko nang magsabi ng iba pa kasi baka kung ano na naman ang masabi ko ba. So, at saka baka ma-misunderstood na naman ako. So, mahirap na. Basta, this vlog is for showing how grateful I am, na hindi ko alam paano ko express yung gratefulness ko because hindi nga ako sanay na tumanggap ng mga stuff from, you know, from people, kahit na mga close friend ko yan sila. But yeah, this is alam mo, hindi ko alam ano sasabihin ko. Basta, I am so grateful. I'm so grateful sa taong to, and of course, sa mga kaibigan kong tunay. sa tunay lang ako. Sa mga tunay lang ako. So, yeah. Sa tunay lang ako, ayoko sa mga malalandi. And, yun lang. Yun lang naman yun lang naman talaga ang ang kailangan sa buhay, yung tunay na mga kaibigan. Kahit andyan ka or wala ka, they will defend you. They will lift your name up. Yung ganun ba, yung ganung tipo. So, yeah. And, maingay na. Si Nanang nag-start ng mag-clean sa outside. So, I think I have to end this vlog. And I am so grateful, guys. Kahit hindi nyo man makita yan sa ngayon, sa sinasabi ko, sa mukha ko. Kasi I don't know how to express it. I don't know how to express how grateful I am. Basta grateful yung yung puso ko. Happy yung puso ko na nakatanggap ako nito. And sino ba naman ako na para bigyan ng ganito ba, 'di ba? We don't even met pa in person, pero ito, naiisip ako ng mga tao na bigyan ng ganito na nasa isip ko is that I don't deserve anything. Kasi 'di ba? I come out differently from people because I want to be different. But then people like this appreciate me for who I am. I really appreciate them as well. I'm so thankful. I'm so glad that I found. Okay, pinatigil ko muna si Nanang sa pagwawalis ng ng outside. So, as what I'm saying is that I am so grateful for people that appreciates me for who I am, accepts me for who I am, kahit ano man yan ang pinagsasabi ng mga tao, kung ano man ang pinagsisira ng mga tao sa akin, they don't care, because they know kung ano talaga ako at kung sino talaga ako. And yeah, I really appreciate those people. I really appreciate and value those people. Binibigyan ko ng halaga talaga ang mga taong ganun. And yun na naman ang importante talaga sa akin, yung totoong kaibigan talaga. Yun lang talaga ang pinagpipray ko sa Lord. And thank you sa Lord kasi binibigayan sa akin ng Lord. Hindi man siya bulk na binibigay ng Lord sa akin, pero ang binibigay niya sa akin are those, yung may quality ng mga kaibigan. It's the quality over quantity. So, okay lang ako kahit isa, dalawa na friends, okay lang ako doon. Wala akong pakialam. Kahit, I don't care if you guys have like millions of friends. Ako, okay lang ako. Isa, dalawa, okay lang ako. As long as naiintindihan ako, as long as napapahalagahan ako, as long as yung na-appreciate ako, yun lang. At saka minamahal ako kung ano ako. So, yun lang guys ang mahalaga sa akin. So, yeah. Again, I'm so thankful. I'm grateful. Thank you talaga. And, yeah. God bless you more guys, and thank you for watching. Dito ko na tatapusin yung vlog na unboxing na to. Na ang dami kong kuda, I know, but you know, I just want to be clear. I just want my side to be clear. And yeah, thank you so much for appreciating me. Thank you so much for supporting ako si RC lagi. And yeah. Yun lang. Thank you so much guys. Bye everybody. This is ako si RC again. Bye guys!